I'm Adrian and welcome to my YouTube channel Dropshipping Suppliers Hub. In this video, I'm going to present you 5 print-on-demand companies that you can use for your dropshipping business. So make sure you stay with me until the end of this video. Maybe you'll find one or maybe more print-on-demand companies that you can use for your business. So stay with me until the end of this video. I'm going to start with the first print-on-demand company, which is Spod.com. You can transform your ideas into high-quality printed products. So you can create, sell, and spread your print-on-demand products day back your back. So let's take a look to see what exactly they offer. They have under 48 hours production, so it's very fast. So it will be very good for your business. They reach globally, fair price, quality products. They are powered by Spreadshirt. Probably heard about it. I already talked on my YouTube channel about Spreadshirt. They integrate with Squarespace, Shopify, WooCommerce, which are the most biggest platforms. You can build a brand one product at a time. You have here some example and prices, some brands. Let's go a little bit down to see what else they can show us. You see their production places where they are in Germany, Czech Republic, Poland, and Las Vegas, Nevada. All right, let's go a little bit down. So they have products for men, women, kids, and babies, accessories. Let's go a little bit to integration. So easy integration, big impact. So power your store with Spod, a print-on-demand app with dropshipping integration for any platform. So it's very easy to integrate. I'm not going to show how to do that, but it's very easy to do that. So you can start with Shopify, TikTok Shop US if you are from US, Spod API, WooCommerce, Order Desk, Squarespace, Magento, Shopware. So the biggest platforms are here, easy to integrate. Which integration is best to sell via Amazon, Etsy, or eBay? You can see here the frequent asked question and you can read more about it. How does it work? You can start reading about it and much more. But let's go to the products, right? You can see all the products. They have over 200 plus unique or something. Okay, let's go back. So women own something that's okay. Maybe their servers are down when I'm making this presentation. Okay, but here you can see the categories. So and their bestsellers product. You can take a look and have a better understanding. And if you think this is a supplier that you want to work with or you want more details from it, then don't hesitate to send them an email and definitely they will answer you. So this is Spod.com, the first print-on-demand company. Let's go now with the second one, Teelaunch.com. What is Teelaunch? They use the technology to connect your e-commerce shop to factories all over the world. So there is a easy thing that they enable you to achieve your dreams, financial independence by allowing you to create your own shop quickly with no overhead. So basically, you get the product straight from their production. There is no middle name. So that's why they offer you very good price for your product. Let's read about dropshipping. You can see all the details that you need to read. It's very important. Let's go back to their homepage. So factory direct pricing. Like I said, basically they sell you the product straight from the factory. So no games, gimmicks, or monthly fees. Very easy. And you have the products here. Work with us and we want to let we won't let your brand get stale. So you have the example of products. You can see here all the products and the categories they sell, and you can have a better understanding if you go and take a look more in details on this product. Get started. You have here, you can start with TikTok, Etsy, Shopify, Order Desk, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, API resources, or if you want to refer to a friend, that's also a very good idea. Let's take a look to home goods, for example. So you have some example that you can, let's go to Christmas, for example. So processing time, ship from Louisiana, shipping, how much it costs, it is $5.50, and the second one is $1. If you have any question about their products or about the way they work or the shipping and so on, then you can contact them without any problem. Let's go back to about them. There's not so much to read off. It's very important you go more in details on these suppliers to read about it. So read their blog and so on. So this is Teelaunch.com. Let me go back to their homepage. You'll find the link in the description of this video. So Teelaunch.com. This is the second supplier. Let's go now with the third print-on-demand company, which is Apliiq.com. Print-on-demand, custom t-shirt, custom hats, custom hoodies. You can start your design. So you have here the products, t-shirts, sweatshirts, beanies, hoodies, hats, pants, and much more. You can read everything here. They offer also relabel everything. Private label, patches, waves, labels, neck print. Right, let's go down. So you can curate your brand, pursue your vision, easily expandable infrastructure for creatives. You get a discount for members, and if you are a member, of course. Let's go down. You can create, sew, weaves, labels on demand. Integration with your store in minutes. Very important that. Print on demand, sell with Shopify. We will manufacture, ship to your customers' warehouse and fulfill. All right, let's go down because it's very important that this print on demand offer you a free option, but also you need to pay if you want extra advantages. So you can start for free, start with premium products, better pricing is available when you need it. So you get access to the best service system and products to produce stunning apparel results, relabel everything, print anywhere. But you can save 20% on dropshipping orders if you apply for a VIP program. It will cost you $29.99 per month. They also offer an enterprise print on demand. That's additional cost. Let's go to dropshipping. So you pick your store, Shopify, WooCommerce, or other platforms. So they explain you how dropshipping works. Some products example. Right. Let's go up. Services. You can read here more about Shopify. They offer also an app, WooCommerce. And you can get started today. You can use SiteGround WooCommerce to power your store. All right. And Etsy, coming soon, is not ready. So this is Apliiq.com, the third print-on-demand company. You will find the link in the description of this video. Let's go now with the fourth print-on-demand company, CustomCat.com, empowering entrepreneurs. Bring your products ideas to life with CustomCat's business-friendly print-on-demand. You can create a free account. Inspired print-on-demand dropshipping fulfillment. You have here some services they offer: online selling, brand merchandise, custom apparel. You can start selling in minutes. They explain you here the steps. All right, let's go a little bit. Products, print on demand, integration. You can see Shopify, Etsy, all the biggest platform. Pricing, let's go a bit to pricing. So they offer you also free version, and you can see what you'll get. They offer you monthly services, so you have to pay for it. If you choose the yearly, you save 16%, which is coming to $25 per month, and you get also 20 up to 40% off of standard pricing. And this is a good idea to choose when you have a lot of sales. If you don't, then go with the free version. And enterprise, if you have a high volume, then you can choose. So very important, you can choose the free and the payment version. Here you have how it works. I'm going to go very fast through that, but it's very important you to go very easily and read everything, getting starting, integration, decoration types, and so on. Read about their shipping. You can find knowledge, why CustomCat, and so on. The products, future products, vegan leather, pet hats, and much more. You can see their top sellers. Very good. You can compare with other companies that offer print on demand and see which one it is better for you. So this is the fourth print on demand company. Let's go now with the fifth and the last one, which is TPOP.com. A simple way, a more modern way to sell. This offer you much more than I think. Let's take a look about their services that I'm talking about. You can create the e-commerce, print on demand. They offer branding. Of course, it is also a paid version. So let's go to the e-commerce. So no need for technical skills. Explore the unlimited potential of e-commerce by creating your store in just 2 minutes. So no complication. They can create your e-commerce and you can sell worldwide. They offer you also an app store. So you can start it. It's free. Let's go to print on demand because the video is all about it. So print on demand, an innovative and ecological model. Discover print on demand with TPOP. So print on demand is a 100% automated sales system. Make sure you read all about it. A simple to understand model. Who is print on demand for, and so on. And you have here all the links that will help you to understand exactly how they work. You have the question. Let's go back. They offer you an example if you choose a t-shirt and so on. And why you should choose TPOP, I'm not going to go very much in details. They offer a free online store. Yes, they offer a free online store, your sales store. It is super optimized and extremely easy to use. So very important that if you want to start for free in the beginning, you have this option. All right, some of the products, good. The pricing, let's go to pricing. They offer you a store that's simple, pretty, and efficient. Now they write in French because this platform, it is from France. So you have a free version, a plus version. If you choose the annual, you will pay €24 per month. and the Pro, it is €55 per month per year. So if you want to read more about it, then you need to create an account. Otherwise, you'll not find much more details. But down there or down here, you'll find the details, what you get for the free version, the Plus version, and the Pro version. So this is let's go back a bit, how it's work. The products, let's take a look. Product catalog, you can customize without any problem. Let's go to print on demand. Yeah, we've been here. You have a premium shipping. Let's take a look. How are your orders? They give you a very nice packaging. There is zero plastic, as they see here, zero plastic shipping. So definitely it is on paper or bamboos. Yeah, make sure you read all the information you'll find on TPOP.com. This is the last print-on-demand company for this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you stay with me until the end. And don't forget, if you like this video, to hit the subscribe button on my channel, Dropshipping Suppliers Hub. You'll find much more videos with dropshipping and wholesale suppliers on my channel. Take a look. Definitely you will find a lot of information. And if you want to have access to all the supplier lists, then you can get it if you go on dropshipping-suppliershub.com. Here you will find my ebook. I decided to also divide this ebook on 4 different ebooks with a different number of suppliers. So it's up to you if you want to get one of these, or otherwise you'll watch on my YouTube channel all the videos. So 645 supplier lists, dropshipping and wholesale. You'll get more information, what is dropshipping and what exactly means, the steps you have to follow to have a proper business start, the list of 645 suppliers, marketing tools for your business, and frequently asked question about dropshipping. So much more information than the suppliers that I'm presenting here on my YouTube channel. And another thing I would like to highly recommend is to check the resources, because if you want to start a business, it's very important to have all the information in one place. So if you want to read all about or to have the information in one place, the hosting companies, the best SEO tools, email marketing tools, best themes and plugins, best page website builder, and dropshipping with Shopify, everything in one place. You can check it out, so you will save a lot of time. And in the end, you decide which one is the best for you. So, once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. And if you like this video, leave a comment below, hit the like button, and why not hit the bell button so you get notified when I'm going to upload a new video. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.